Hey, what's up there, crew? Matt Vasallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. I'm sitting on the throne here at the TRW CAMEO Castle, and I'm ready to give away the Silhouette CAMEO 3, number 8 already. So we're going to give away our 8th CAMEO that we've given away so far on the website at the rhinestoneworld.com. But we're going to give away all these cameos that you see here. That's the amazing part about it. Each week, we're going to have a Silhouette cameo giveaway. So if you aren't subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, if you're not on our Facebook page, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all the different social media, we're going to pick a different spot each week. So you better be on all of them. So here's how you're going to enter the cameo giveaway this week. So we have a couple different ways. I want to motivate you guys. We're going to have some fun. Either way, we're giving away a Silhouette Cameo 3, okay? Here's your different ways to enter. You have to like this YouTube video and comment on this YouTube video. Let me know what you think about all of our cameo giveaways, okay? Then we also need to, on our Facebook page, The Rhinestone World, this video, you're going to see this video on a post on the Facebook page. We need to like, comment, and share that post on the Rhinestone World Facebook page. Now, if we can get over, okay, if we can get over, what do you think? Let's go 300 comments here on the YouTube video. I'll give away a roll of Magic Flock template material. And if we can get over 500 shares on the Rhinestone World Facebook post, then we will do an artwork pack of choice up to a $300 value. So if we can do all of those, we got a Cameo 3, we got an artwork pack of choice, and we have a roll of Magic Flock. So if you're not sure, you can look in the comments here, know what our different milestones are. But also during this, okay, we also just released our Flourish Elements and Live Templates. This pack is available on the website at therhinestoneworld.com right now for 65% off. We also released our teacher and school pack live templates that's 65% off. And we also released a few new of our script amazing monogram fonts that you guys have all been going crazy over. We just listed 2 more of those on the website. And we listed another business mini pack on the website, and all of those links are right below this video in YouTube, and all of them right now are 65% off using this coupon code right here, TRW release 65. So this coupon code will go through the end of this actual drawing. So we're going to do the drawing later this week. I would say Friday or Saturday. I'll keep you guys updated on that. We're in Atlantic City for the ISS show this week, so I'll keep you updated as far as when we're going to do the drawing. I'm sure we'll do it live right from Atlantic City, but make sure to like and comment on this YouTube video. Make sure to go to the Facebook page, and of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel right here. We need subscribers because we're going to give all these things away. And then also the Facebook page. Just make sure on the Facebook page that you go there and you like, comment, and share. Those are going to be your different entries, and we'll pick randomly from those to pick our winner for this week's Silhouette Cameo 3 giveaway number 8. That's pretty crazy. 8 cameo giveaways already, and we're going to be doing them every single week. This castle is coming down. All right, crew. Thanks for watching. You guys are all amazing. Check out the website. Again, the links below for this coupon code right here. And try it on some other things in that area, and it might possibly work. I don't know. All right, crew. We'll see you guys soon. Later.